Hello students, and welcome back to our third video on trigonometry solutions. And if you have any doubt, just call or WhatsApp us on this number at 98367-93076. And if you want to check out other cool stuff, go over to our website at www.sorofsciclasses.com. Okay, so let's begin with the first problem, or the problem for this video. We have if theta lies between 0 and pi by 2 and tan theta plus tan 2 theta plus tan 3 theta equals 0 if, okay, so we are required to find the conditions in which tan theta plus tan 2 theta plus tan 3 theta is equal to 0. So how do we write it? We just approach this by, let's just observe that clearly tan theta is not equal to 0, tan 2 theta is not equal to 0, and tan 3 theta is not equal to 0, because theta lies between 0 to pi by 2. This is 0 and this is pi by 2, and we have the tan 3 theta. We have tan 3 theta is equal to tan 2 theta plus theta. So what we have is tan 3 theta is tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta is equal to tan 2 theta plus tan theta by 1 minus tan 2 theta tan theta. Okay, so therefore this is equal to 0. So 0 equals to tan theta plus tan 2 theta plus tan 3 theta. Okay, so once we have that, we have tan 3 theta into 1 minus tan 2 theta tan 3 theta plus tan 3 theta. This is equal to tan 3 theta 2 minus tan 2 theta tan 2 theta tan theta. Okay, and this implies that tan 3 theta is equal to 0, or tan 2 theta tan theta is equal to 2. So I think this basic assumption is wrong. Okay, so the required things are tan 3 theta equals to 0. This is one condition, and tan 2 theta and tan into tan theta is equal to 2, and this is these two in fact are our solutions. Thank you for watching this video. We'll be back with more in our next videos.